Prime lens. A prime lens is a camera lens with a fixed focal length, meaning it cannot zoom in or out. The photographer must physically move closer to or further from the subject to change the composition. This apparent limitation is actually considered an advantage by many professional photographers because prime lenses are optically simpler than zoom lenses, allowing manufacturers to achieve sharper images, wider maximum apertures, and more compact designs at lower costs. The wide maximum aperture of most prime lenses allows significantly more light to reach the camera sensor, making them excellent performers in low light conditions. Street photographers, portrait photographers, and filmmakers consistently favor prime lenses for their image quality and the creative discipline they encourage.
Zoom lens. A zoom lens covers a range of focal lengths within a single lens, allowing the photographer to adjust the framing of a shot without moving. Turning the zoom ring smoothly transitions between wide-angle and telephoto views, making zoom lenses extremely versatile for situations where the photographer cannot easily change their position. Professional zoom lenses used in journalism, wildlife photography, and event coverage allow photographers to react quickly to changing scenes without swapping lenses. The trade-off compared to prime lenses is that zoom lenses are typically heavier, more expensive to manufacture to the same optical standard, and generally have smaller maximum apertures. Consumer zoom lenses shipped with entry-level cameras are often called kit lenses and represent an affordable starting point for new photographers. Wide-angle lens. A wide-angle lens has a short focal length that captures a broader field of view than the human eye naturally perceives. This expansive perspective makes wide-angle lenses ideal for landscape photography, architectural photography, interior spaces, and environmental portraits, where showing the subject within a large context is important. The wide field of view also creates a sense of depth and drama in images, making foreground elements appear large while distant elements recede strongly into the background. Ultra-wide-angle lenses, sometimes called fisheye lenses at their most extreme, can capture nearly 180 degrees of a scene in a single frame. Real estate photographers rely heavily on wide-angle lenses to make rooms appear larger and more inviting in property listing photographs. Telephoto lens. A telephoto lens has a long focal length that magnifies distant subjects, bringing them visually closer to the camera than they physically are. Wildlife photographers use telephoto lenses to capture animals in their natural habitat from a safe distance without disturbing their behavior. Sports photographers rely on telephoto lenses to fill the frame with athletes from the sidelines of a playing field. Portrait photographers sometimes use moderate telephoto focal lengths because they produce a flattering compression of facial features that wide-angle lenses do not. The physical length and weight of professional telephoto lenses can be substantial, with some wildlife and sports lenses requiring a monopod or tripod for stable handheld use. Macro lens. A macro lens is designed specifically for extreme close-up photography, allowing the camera to focus at very short distances and reproduce subjects at life-size or greater magnification on the camera sensor. The world of tiny subjects, insects, flowers, water droplets, coins, jewelry, and food details becomes accessible through a macro lens in extraordinary detail that is impossible to achieve with standard lenses. True macro lenses achieve a reproduction ratio of at least 1:1, meaning the subject is rendered on the sensor at its actual physical size. The shallow depth of field at macro distances means that only a very thin plane of the subject is in sharp focus at any one time, requiring careful focus technique and often focus stacking for maximum sharpness across the entire subject. Fisheye lens. A fisheye lens is an ultra-wide-angle lens that produces a distinctive circular or strongly distorted image with an extremely broad field of view, reaching up to 180 degrees or beyond. Unlike other wide-angle lenses that attempt to correct distortion, the fisheye embraces and maximizes it, creating curved horizon lines and a characteristic spherical warping of straight elements near the edges of the frame. Originally developed for scientific applications like meteorology and astronomy to photograph the entire sky, fisheye lenses became popular in creative photography and later iconic in skateboarding and action sports videography for their dramatic, exaggerated perspective. The highly distinctive look immediately communicates a sense of energy and immersion that straight lenses cannot replicate.
Tilt-shift lens. A tilt-shift lens has mechanical controls that allow the optical axis of the lens to be shifted sideways or tilted relative to the camera sensor, capabilities that are fixed in all standard lenses. The shift function is used by architectural photographers to correct converging vertical lines that appear when a camera is tilted upward to photograph tall buildings, allowing perfectly straight verticals in the final image. The tilt function controls the plane of focus, allowing photographers to either bring a large sweeping scene into complete sharpness or alternatively to isolate a very narrow band of sharpness that creates a distinctive miniature effect when applied to aerial or elevated photographs of real-world scenes. Tilt-shift lenses are among the most specialized and expensive optics available for photography. Portrait lenses. Portrait lenses are typically medium telephoto lenses with focal lengths around 85 mm to 135 mm on a full-frame camera, valued specifically for the flattering perspective they create when photographing people. At these focal lengths, the photographer works at a comfortable distance from the subject, which avoids the facial distortion caused by wide-angle lenses used too close to a person's face. The combination of flattering focal length and typically wide maximum aperture creates beautiful background blur known as bokeh, which separates the subject cleanly from the background and draws attention entirely to the person being photographed. The 85 mm focal length in particular has earned a near universal reputation as the definitive portrait focal length among professional photographers worldwide. Cine lenses. Cine lenses are camera lenses engineered specifically for motion picture and video production rather than still photography. While they share optical principles with still camera lenses, Cine lenses are built to far stricter mechanical and optical standards required by professional film production. Focus and aperture rings are geared with precise markings in standard units, allowing focus pullers to accurately replicate and adjust focus during moving shots. Breathing, which is the unwanted change in field of view that occurs when a lens is focused in or out, is minimized or eliminated in quality Cine lenses because even subtle zooming caused by focus changes is immediately visible in motion. Cine lenses are significantly more expensive than their still photography equivalents and are often rented rather than purchased for film productions. Anamorphic lens. Anamorphic lenses optically squeeze a wide aspect ratio image horizontally onto a standard camera sensor, which is then unsqueezed during post-production to reveal the full widescreen image. This technology was originally developed for cinema to project widescreen films onto standard screens without reducing image height. Beyond the practical widescreen capability, anamorphic lenses produce a series of highly distinctive visual characteristics that have become deeply associated with the cinematic look. Horizontal lens flares that streak dramatically across the frame, oval-shaped background blur rather than circular, and a subtle horizontal stretching of out-of-focus elements. These characteristics are so strongly linked to the big screen experience that filmmakers and video creators actively seek anamorphic lenses specifically to achieve this signature look. That covers all the types of camera lenses we have for you today. If this video helped you understand something new, make sure you subscribe to ByteSimple. See you in the next one. We break down a new tech topic every single week. Drop a comment below and tell us which camera lens would you love to try.